How to log in Accenture Workday Account Online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into Accenture Workday account. For this, you want to open any web browser, then search for Accenture Workday Login. After this, you want to tap on the very first website that you can see. Once you get on the myworkdaysjobs.com website, you want to tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on the sign in option. Once you do that, this sign in portal will appear. Here you want to enter your email address. Once you enter your email address on the first box, on the second box, go ahead and enter your password. Now tap on the sign in option. If the details you have entered are correct, you will be successfully signed into your account. In case you have forgotten your password, tap on the forgot your password below. Then enter your email address over here and tap on the reset password option. After that, a link will be sent in the email address with instructions to reset your password. Simply tap on that link and reset your password, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.